In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a line under text in Pixlr quickly and easily. This is a simple formatting trick that can make your designs look more polished, whether you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, banners, or any other text-based design. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tips and design tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in Pixlr and make sure the text you want to edit is already on the canvas. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Text tool, which is the T icon. This tells Pixlr that you want to work with text instead of shapes, images, or other elements. Once the Text tool is selected, click directly on the text box you want to format. When you click the text, it should become highlighted or active, so you can edit its settings. After your text is selected, look at the top option menu bar. Pixlr will show you text controls across the top of the screen, and this is where the formatting options are located. Find the Format option, or if you see a downward arrow next to the text settings, click that to open the formatting menu. This menu gives you access to different style options for your text, including bold, italic, and underline. Now, inside the Format drop-down menu, look for the Style section. Under that section, you should see the Underline button. It usually looks like a U with a line underneath it. Click that Underline option, and Pixlr will automatically place a line under your selected text. You should see the change immediately on your canvas, so you can confirm that the underline has been applied correctly. If you want to adjust the look of the text after underlining it, you can also change the font size, color, or alignment using the same top toolbar. That way, your text not only has the underline, but also matches the overall style of your design. This is especially useful if you're trying to emphasize a heading, highlight a key word, or create a cleaner visual layout. If the underline doesn't appear right away, make sure the correct text layer is selected and that you clicked into the actual text box. Sometimes users accidentally select the wrong layer or miss the text object altogether. If that happens, just click the text again, reopen the Format menu, and press the Underline button once more. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a line under text in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your design. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.